If you want to talk about the golden era of American muscle, the 1971 Dodge Challenger convertible is about as good as it gets. And when this one rolled into all-speed customs in Muskegon Heights, Michigan, for a full pro touring transformation, the result was nothing short of spectacular. The body was taken down and prepped for one of the most iconic colors in Mopar history, Sublime Green. Panel by panel, the entire car was sprayed in that electric lime green finish that practically glows under any light. The paint booth shots tell the whole story. The body shell, the doors, the hood, the inner fenders, every surface was coated in that deep, wet, high-gloss green that only looks right on a Challenger. Once the body was reassembled, black racing stripes were laid down the length of the car, running from the nose, over the hood, and across the roofline. The contrast between that bright green and the bold black stripes is what makes this car impossible to ignore. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it's exactly what a '71 Challenger should look like. Under the hood, the engine bay was painted to match in the same sublime green. And sitting in the center is a classic Mopar V8 finished in the correct Chrysler orange block paint. The air cleaner, the valve covers, the intake, everything carries that unmistakable Hemi orange that tells you this is a real Mopar power plant. A fuel injection conversion was added to bring modern drivability and reliability to the original muscle, giving the driver the best of both worlds, classic looks with modern performance. The suspension received a complete overhaul with a full Pro Touring package. Up front, an AlterKation front suspension replaced the factory setup, delivering precise steering geometry and modern handling characteristics. Out back, a RideTech rear 4-link system was installed with adjustable coilover shocks, giving the car a planted stance and the ability to put power down without the rear end walking around. This Challenger corners as well as it accelerates. Wilwood disc brakes were fitted at all 4 corners, replacing the original drum setup with serious stopping power. The cross-drilled rotors and multi-piston calipers bring the car to a confident stop from any speed, and they look as good as they perform tucked behind the polished wheels. The exterior details were all restored to factory-correct standards. The Challenger script badge on the rear quarter panel, the Dodge lettering on the grille, the chrome bumpers, and the taillight bezels. Every piece was either restored or replaced to look exactly as it did when this car first rolled off the assembly line in 1971. The convertible top folds down cleanly, revealing that classic open-air Challenger profile that made these cars legends. Inside, the interior keeps things clean and classic. Black leather bucket seats with the original seat pattern look and feel right for the era, while a wood-rimmed steering wheel adds a touch of vintage elegance. The gauges, the door panels, and the dash all stay true to the original design. Nothing overdone, nothing out of place. Underneath, the exhaust system was routed clean, with polished tips exiting at the rear, and the underbody was finished to a standard that matches the quality up top. Every bracket in every line shows the kind of craftsmanship that separates a real build from a quick restoration. Standing back and looking at this car in the sunlight, it's everything a muscle car should be. The sublime green paint catches every ray, the black stripes pull your eye down the body, and the sound of that Mopar V8 reminds you exactly why these cars became legends. All Speed Customs took a classic '71 Challenger convertible and turned it into a pro touring machine that can hold its own on any road, at any show, and in any conversation about the greatest American muscle cars ever built.